How's everybody doing today, Keto family? MatTroise here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Lemonade from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers, Eric Freeman. Thank you, Eric Freeman, for your video recommendation. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And if you have a video recommendation, leave it in the comment section down below. If it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it and give you credit right in that video. It's getting hotter than ever here in the summer, and what better way to hydrate than to have some keto-friendly lemonade with no sugar, no carbs, same great taste and refreshing as always. All right, let me show you how to make it right now. All right, all we're gonna need is 1 lemon sliced up and liquid stevia combined with water. So we have our blender here. We're going to drop in our lemon slices and we're going to fill it to capacity with filtered water. Then we're going to take our liquid stevia and drop about 8 drops. That's the sweet spot for me as far as sweetness goes. Seal the blender. And blast off. All right, it's blended up sufficiently. Now we're going to transfer this into a glass. All right, now for a taste test. Keto Lemonade, let's try it. That is delicious. Tastes just like I'm drinking lemonade without the sugar, without the carbs. Man, this is delicious. Now, this drink is perfect for any hot summer day. Now, a typical lemonade has anywhere from 20 to 40 grams of sugar for each 8-ounce glass. This right here doesn't even have a gram. And it tastes just as good, if not better. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you can enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. MatTroise signing out.